Hey guys, Brent Pavich, HVAC Tech. This video I'm going to cover 7 things the apprentice does that pisses off the journeyman. So if you're new to the trade or you're thinking about it, you probably want to stick around and watch this. Okay, the first one I'm going to cover is being tardy or not being on the job on time. It probably pisses me off more than anything. If you are to be at a job at 7 o'clock and you just show up to the job at 7 o'clock, chances are we're already working. And we're wondering where you're at. We don't need you to do our job. We already know how to do it. So if you want to stay employed in this business, you need to show up early. Otherwise, we're not going to teach you nothing. So that's number 1. Okay, guys, number 2, appearance. If you come to work looking like you were just out at a nightclub, and you got holes in your jeans, and you got the skinny jeans on, you need to dress for the job. So work boots, work pants, work shirts, safety glasses, hard hat if you're working on a construction job. Show up like you're ready to do some work. Appearance is a big deal. We don't want you to look like you just came off the street because you make us look bad. So guys, number 3, willingness to learn. Having an attitude where you want to understand what we're doing is helpful to us, because if you're not engaged in our work, we're always wondering what you're doing here. We need you to come to work and ask. If you don't know something, ask questions, because we're not mind readers. We're being sent to a job to get the job done, and so when you're sitting there with your hands in your pocket or you're playing on that phone and you're not asking questions, it pisses us off. So you need to be willing to learn, and you know, it's kind of like we're on a date. You're trying to date me because I got the information you need. So I'm not trying to date you. I can get another one of you anytime I want. So you need to kind of try and figure out what I know or what the journeyman you're working with knows, because we're not mind readers. Okay guys, number 4, ready to work. When you get to the job, be ready to work, because we're not waiting for you. So when you get out of your vehicle, or if you're riding with somebody and we're on the job, nothing pisses me off more than a guy who's not ready to work. Head's not in the game, talking about yesterday. I'm sitting there trying to figure out how to get the job done. So show up to work, ready to work. Okay guys, number 5, one thing that pisses the apprentice does, that pisses off the journeyman. 1, not having the tools, and then 2, when they have the tools, they don't know how to use them properly. Now these kids can figure out how to post a Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, but they can't, use a crescent wrench, and they can't go righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. They ain't figured that out yet. I mean, these guys, one of the things I had the apprentices do is update my ringtone on my phone, because I ain't quite that smart. But when they grab some channel locks and they turn the wrench, they use it the wrong way and it doesn't tighten it down. It kind of makes them look stupid. So learn how to use your tools. Watch what we're doing. Okay guys, so if you're scared or nervous, we need to know about it, because we don't want you to get hurt. Don't be just doing the bobblehead effect, nodding your head up and down, saying you understand something when you don't, because what happens is we're trying to give you instructions and you're bobbing your head up and down, and we're not necessarily sure how we need to communicate with you. So if you're not sure, you need to ask questions. Don't agree with us 100 times when we send you to go get something, and then call us 10 times because you didn't understand it. Hey guys, here's a little bonus snippet for you. When you're working with a journeyman and he's talking to you, we're like actually speaking in a different language. We're talking HVAC. So you got to start learning the lingo. Okay guys, number 7, final one that the apprentice does that pisses us off. Housekeeping. If we're working on a job and it's really kind of a one-man job, but you're there to learn, your job during the job is to keep things clean and neat, maybe put our tools back, help pick up after the job, take some initiative. It ain't my job to tell you to clean up after us. I can do it, and if I'm going to do it, why do I need you? So, if there's paw prints or cat paw prints all over the equipment, if you're up on a roof and you're working and you're changing out a compressor, blower motor, condenser fan motor, whatever, we take that off the roof. We don't leave it there. No one wants to see your mess left behind. If it's big, or if you need a crane and the crane's left, that might be something a little different, but you know what? We got to haul that shit down. Nothing more unprofessional than walking on a roof and seeing a bunch of compressors on the roof from the other company that ain't working there no more, and that's probably the reason why they're not working there anymore. So it doesn't take any skill to clean up after yourself, and you always want to leave the job neater than when you arrived. So clean up after yourself. Show a little professionalism. So here's another thing, guys. Thanks for helping our channel grow. If you're an apprentice or you're looking to start this career, these are some of the things that you're going to encounter, and the guys that you're working with may or may not tell you, but this comes from years of experience in the trade and training lots of apprentices. So hit the notification bell and consider subscribing to my channel. I look forward to you on the next one.